Installing has already started. In order the drivers to get installed properly, it is important not to interrupt the installing process, nor turn off computer power. During installing I will be explaining you in details everything that will be going on, and will suggest you how to solve any issues if they arise. Now you need to complete all active software and disable your antivirus for the entire installing period. It is usually possible to do via menu in the right low corner of the screen. Drivers installing is a low-level process that engages system files, so antivirus can block installing. Don't worry, you won't stay without protection. Your antivirus will enable itself after reboot. Here is the list of the drivers that will be installed or updated. In addition, we will install driver utility set, system libraries, and a couple of useful software. But first I will explain what the driver utilities are required for. The updated but still free Firefox will tame Internet dangerous ocean, and turn it into a home swimming pool. Driver utilities are important for proper driver functioning. For instance, DirectX utility version that we will install will enable to run old games without making a conflict with the more advanced versions, and Visual C++ helps reduce errors quantity in driver functioning. Besides, we will install the system libraries required for the drivers to function properly, which are compiled by the DriverPack experts manually, and get updated regularly. iStart downloads no advertising and third-party videos and photos, nor spends your megabytes for th. No more intrusive advertising that knows everything about what you are interested in. iStart neither gives away information about your queries to the third-side services nor records down your actions of the sites that you browse. iStart let into yours none of the scripts from the sites that you open. So that none of junk stuff will get to your computer while all your information will stay with you. Drivers installing and computer configuring is not a joke. This process usually takes 20 to 50 minutes. Everything is going according to the plan now. Windows has switched to the service mode, so you can relax and make you a cup of tea so far. Your computer will be rebooted now. After that, the stage of checking, cleaning, and computer functioning accelerating will start. The final configuration stage takes just 5 to 7 minutes in average.